Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful and versatile text editor available on Linux, Vim. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned user, Vim is a tool that every Linux enthusiast should know. So let's get started. Vim, short for VI Improved, is a highly configurable text editor that's an enhanced version of the older VI editor. It's designed for efficiency with a focus on keyboard shortcuts to speed up text editing. Vim is widely used by developers, system administrators, and anyone who needs to edit text files quickly and efficiently. Installing Vim on openSUSE is straightforward. In most cases, Vim comes pre-installed with openSUSE, but if you don't have it installed, you can easily get it using the zypper package manager. Let's go ahead and do that. So I have my terminal here. Okay, let's go to root, sudo, and install Vim. Okay, press enter. And if you use sudo, you would need to enter your password, and zypper will handle the rest. In case you had to install Vim, once the installation is complete, Vim is ready to use. Now that Vim is installed, let's dive into the basics. Open Vim by typing vim in the terminal, followed by the name of the file you want to edit, or just Vim to create a new file. So I'm still root here. Let's go exit root, and let's go to my working directory, the one we created in the last video. Okay. Here I already, before making the video, I prepared two files, file 1 and file 2. The file 1 has some data. It's the repository data from Ubuntu installation to show some case, and the other file copy it from /etc path wd. Okay, so now that Vim, as we said, is installed, so you have two options: to write Vim and you press enter. Now you have a session with Vim to start writing, and then you save the data you already added. Or you can write Vim or just VI and the name of the file you want to edit, followed by the file you want to edit. Okay, once the file is opened, Vim operates in different modes. So the most important being normal mode. Once you open the file, like what I did now, I am in normal mode. And then we have the insert mode and command line mode. So you have three modes inside VM. The first one is the normal mode, this one. Okay, the second one is insert mode, the insert mode that you are able to write, and the changes you can do it in normal mode, like deleting or replacing, but actual editing is happen in insert mode. So as I said, when you first open Vim, you are in normal mode. So here you can move around the file using arrow keys or the H, J, K, L keys to move around. So now I'm in the file. If I press arrow right to go right, to go up, to go down, okay, or use H for left, L for right, K for up, and J for down. Okay, to start editing text, you need to switch to insert mode by pressing I. See here, it's changed it and showing you that you are now in insert mode. Now you can type normally. To return to normal mode, you press escape. Okay. Vim's power lies in its efficient editing commands. So let's go over a few basics. To delete a character, move the cursor over it and press X. So let's say I want to delete this front slash. If I pressed X, it gets deleted. Okay. To delete a whole line, you press DD, double D. Okay. So the line got deleted. To undo your last action, you press U. And to redo, you press Ctrl R. Okay. So to save your changes and exit Vim, you type :WQ. Okay. Now all the changes I did, it will be saved in the file and Vim will exit. Or if I don't want to save anything and I want to leave the file untouched, nothing changed, I write Q, ! and I press enter. If I open the file again, the data is still there from the beginning. Nothing changed. Why? Because when you open a file with VI, all the changes happening in the RAM. Nothing committed or saved on the disk yet, unless you do that. You do this. Okay? Vim is more than just a text editor. It's a full-fledged development environment. Here are some advanced features. To search for text within your file, you press // okay, followed by your search term. So let's say here I want to search for the word .com, okay. When you press enter, it will take you to the first match where your cursor stands. If I press N, it will take me to the next match. Now we are at the end of the file, at the last line. If there is any matches at the beginning of the file, it will go to it, and see, it shows you a help message: search hit bottom, continuing at up. Okay. To replace text, you can use ds command. For example, okay, column s and / the old word you want to change, and then the new word you want to change, / and g. Okay. So let's say for an example here, I want to make sure what command I run at the beginning. Yeah, because sometimes VI is not behaving the same like Vim, so let's stay with Vim. And I want to replace the word impish to Yami or Yami. Okay, for people who is using Ubuntu, they know that it's the name of the distribution of Ubuntu. They're using animals names. So here I write S, okay, and / the word impish, and I want to Yami / G, and I press enter. It changed the first match for that word. So if I want this to act as a global column, okay, and here, by the way, this is what is called command line. $S ampersand, sorry, yeah, and /, okay, and the word, and then the new word, and again I don't forget the G. It's closing the expression. If I press enter, every single word that match the old word will be replaced with the new word. Okay, Vim also supports plugins to extend its functionality. It is not our topic in this video, but you can go and search for a plugins manager like Bundle or Pathogen. So these two, you can give it a try. It's very straightforward to use and to install. You can read the documents and the manuals on GitHub for these two plugin manager. You can now Vim or Vim, you can customize it to suit your workflow by editing the vimrc. Or let's exit from this one. The vimrc is the same way concept like .bash rc or .profile, but here it's regarding Vim. So let's open new terminal, cd, okay, and I'm not sure if I have a clean vimrc here. Let's check. Yeah, we have a clean one. Okay, perfect. So as we noticed, like, let's say I open okay, let's take it step by step. Okay, so as I said, .vimrc, okay, it's an initialization file for Vim when you run Vim from your command line. Okay, and like for an example, adding set space number will show line numbers in Vim. If we remember here, when we opened this file, okay, just the file, nothing on the left side. Okay, so let's go here and we try to, now I pressed I, now I am in insert mode, and I will say set, okay, number. Okay, so now I am activating an option for Vim that when I open any file, please show me numbering on the left side of the file. So if I press escape colon WQ to commit writing to the file and press enter, now I exit. Let's open the file and see if something changed. See, voila, here we have numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 for the lines. The other thing also you can change is the preferred tab width. So the same like anything you want to change with Vim, it should start with set first. Okay, so set, okay, tabs top or tabs top, so whatever you want to pronounce it, equal, and the preferred width for your tab. Okay, so 4, and I will go right Q. So let's open the same file again, and I will go to the last line, and O will make a new line from the line you are standing on now. So if I press O, it will create a new line and take me there. O letter, small. Okay, so if I press tab, see, it is 4. The width is 4. Okay, so you can change this in vimrc. So that's for today's video on the Vim text editor. We have only scratched the surface of what Vim can do, but these basics should get you up and running. If you have any questions or want to see more advanced Vim tutorials, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.